Are you looking for the best sublimation printers for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation printers for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sawgrass Virtuoso SG500. We find the Sawgrass Virtuoso SG500 a remarkable choice for those starting in sublimation printing, given its ease of use and decent print quality. When we took the Sawgrass SG500 for a spin, its user-friendly design was quite apparent. The setup was a breeze, and the provided Creative Studio Online Designer is a boon for beginners, allowing for easy creation of designs without needing professional-grade software. Its print quality on various sublimation-friendly materials from mugs to mouse pads has been consistently vibrant and detailed. However, we observed that costs could stack up. The starter inks are relatively scanty, which is fine for initial trials, but if you're planning to dive into larger projects, be ready to invest in additional inks earlier than anticipated. And remember, these inks don't come cheap. Nonetheless, for long-term usage, it's a sound investment considering the quality of output. The printer performs its own automatic maintenance, which helps in keeping the printer running smoothly without much intervention from us. This especially comes in handy when you're not a fan of technical troubleshooting. We also noticed that it only works well with lighter fabrics. So if you're looking to print on darker or cotton materials, you might need to look elsewhere. In conclusion, our experience with the SG500 was quite enlightening. Despite the initial costs, this printer offers an excellent starting point for anyone keen to explore the world of sublimation printing. The print results are impressive, and its simplicity is a huge advantage for beginners. Just be mindful of the ongoing costs for inks and the material limitations. At number 2. Brother Creative Sublimation. We find that the Brother Sublimation printer stands out for beginners wanting to bring their designs to life with ease and with impressive color vibrancy. We recently got hands-on with the Brother Sublimation printer, and the experience was nothing short of exciting. The printer's compatibility with the Artspira app, which we found very user-friendly, offered us an abundance of designs to choose from or gave us the freedom to create our own. Its printing speeds allowed us to move from design to production swiftly, which was especially helpful when we were on a tight schedule to complete multiple projects. The results were consistently vibrant, every color popped exactly as we hoped, making our creations stand out. Importantly, this printer is space efficient. It nestled into our limited craft space without any issue. We appreciated its seamless integration into the workshop, ensuring that our workflow remained uncluttered. The initial setup took some time, as there was a bit of a learning curve, which can be expected with any new technology. But once we got past that, it was smooth sailing. One thing to remember is the necessity of a separate heat press, which means an additional investment if you don't already own one. Lastly, while this printer allows for a broad range of substrates, it works best with materials that have a polyester or polymer coating. This wasn't an issue for us, but it's worth noting as it may limit the kinds of materials you can use straight out of the box. Overall, our experience with the Brother Sublimation printer confirmed its suitability for beginners. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to explore the colorful world of sublimation printing. At number 3. Canon Selphy CP1300. We find that the Canon Selphy CP1300 makes an excellent choice for beginners who want to print lasting memories with ease. The moment we took the Canon Selphy CP1300 out of the box, it struck us how well it could fit into our active, mobile lifestyle. The compact size means it doesn't command much desk space, and the optional battery pack allows printing at events or family gatherings without a power outlet. As we easily connected our smartphones and started printing, the intuitive Canon Print app impressed us with its user-friendliness. Editing and choosing photos to print on the spot through the tilting LCD screen made us feel like we had a photo kiosk in the palm of our hands. But it's not just about convenience. The lasting quality of the prints gave us great satisfaction knowing that the photos we shared and gifted would stand the test of time. The dye sublimation technology provided vibrancy and depth to each print. The water resistance was an added bonus, especially for our outdoor events. In our experience, the Canon Selphy CP1300 hits the right notes for anyone stepping into the world of printing their own photos, combining ease of use with high-quality output. At number 4. Canon Selphy CP1500 Wireless Compact Photo Printer. Print vibrant, professional-like photos off a memory card, USB flash drive, or computer connection with the ultra-compact Canon Selphy CP1500 in a sleek black design. At approximately 7 by 5 by 2 inch, the Selphy is a portable photo printer that supports 4 different paper sizes, including small adhesive stickers. An ink and paper set is included for printing 4 by 6 inch postcard-sized prints, and multiple other sets are optionally available. Between all the supported types, you can print in the following 4 sizes: 4 by 6 inch, 3.5 by 4.7, 2.1 by 3.4, stickers, and 2.1 by 2.1. The Selphy prints vivid photos in 300 by 300 dpi resolution and 16.7 million colors. This bundle includes Canon Selphy CP1500 Compact Photo Printer, black, manufacturer included items, postcard size paper cassette, postcard size trial standard paper pack, postcard size trial ink cassette, compact AC power supply bundle added items, Canon KP108IN color ink and 108 sheets photo paper set pack of LCD screen protectors, 6-slot memory card wallet, SD card not included, screen cloth.